Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about plant maintenance software to consider in 2024. Let's jump right into it. In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, keeping your plant operating at peak efficiency is critical. Downtime due to equipment failures can cripple production, erode profits, and damage your reputation. Plant maintenance software, often referred to as CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System, has become an essential tool for streamlining these processes and maximizing operational excellence. Here, we'll explore some of the top plant maintenance software options for 2024, catering to diverse needs and preferences. Fogwing Asset Plus. Fogwing Asset Plus stands out as a comprehensive CMMS solution designed to streamline plant maintenance operations. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, Fogwing Asset Plus empowers businesses to optimize asset performance, schedule preventive maintenance tasks, track work orders, and analyze data for informed decision-making. Its cloud-based platform offers scalability and flexibility, making it very affordable and suitable for various industries, including manufacturing, energy, and utilities. Fiix. Fiix is a widely recognized CMMS software. It offers a range of features to effectively manage maintenance activities, such as work order management, asset tracking, inventory management, and reporting tools. Fiix is known for its user-friendly interface and customizable workflows, making it adaptable to different plant maintenance requirements. eMaint. eMaint, a part of the Fluke Corporation, offers a robust CMMS solution tailored for plant maintenance needs. It enables users to streamline maintenance processes, track assets, schedule preventive maintenance tasks, and monitor equipment performance in real time. eMaint's mobile capabilities facilitate on-the-go access to critical maintenance information, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Upkeep. Upkeep is a user-friendly CMMS software designed to simplify maintenance management for plant facilities. It offers features such as work order management, asset tracking, preventive maintenance scheduling, and inventory management. With its intuitive mobile app, maintenance teams can easily collaborate, access information, and complete tasks from anywhere, ensuring swift resolution of maintenance issues. Limble CMMS. Limble CMMS is a cloud-based maintenance management solution aimed at optimizing plant maintenance operations. It provides features like work order management, asset tracking, preventive maintenance scheduling, and performance analytics. Limble CMMS's intuitive interface and customizable dashboards empower users to efficiently manage maintenance tasks and track key performance indicators. Conclusion. Investing in the right plant maintenance software is crucial for optimizing asset performance, reducing downtime, and enhancing operational efficiency. Whether you're looking for a comprehensive CMMS solution like Fogwing Asset Plus or exploring other options like Fiix, eMaint, or Upkeep, assessing your plant maintenance needs and selecting the CMMS software that aligns with your requirements is essential for driving success in 2024 and beyond. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.